Welcome to our Montessori math class. Teach your child primary level math through Montessori method in our free online class.
Hello children, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to learn how to count dots on ladybug and match those ladybugs with their numbers. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Now we got to find 3. Where is 3? Oh, there it is. Now let's count dots on this ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see number 5 anywhere? Yeah, that's the last one. One. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see number 9 anywhere? Oh, here, right there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right in front of it. One, two. Here it is. One, two, three, 4. That's right there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. First one is a 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this is last one is 10. Okay, we are done counting all the numbers and match those ladybugs with them. So here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.